Okay, we just arrived back to our ATL spot. It's nice and clean as we left it after a long trip of how many hours? 8.5.
So after a long day of traveling yesterday, the boys and I decided to go pamper ourselves. Yes, ma'am. I got my pedicure and my gel nail set. The boys got their pedicure as well as a manicure. It's nothing wrong for treating yourself when you work hard. In fact, I've taught my boys that if you work hard, you play harder. Make sure you take care of yourself and treat yourself to something good.
Man, Bella. Bella happened. She said Jai was tall and handsome. She done walked up and threw her digits on him.
Oh my God.
She like 60.
60 years old. We just left out of here getting our pedicure, taking care of us. She chirping. You ain't gonna call Bella?
I'll call her. I'm gonna call her.
Can't go nowhere with these two without people dropping digits. The women dropping digits on my baby. Alrighty now.
This location is on Peachtree. If you've ever been to this place, you know what I'm talking about. If you haven't, you want to give it a try. They have several locations throughout the Atlanta area, but this one right here was on our way home, and most definitely we had to stop and get a bite. I love sweets. Yes, I do. I claim it. I love me some good old dessert, especially when it's creamy, when it's filling, and when it's pretty. Who doesn't love pretty dessert? That's yummy. I end up getting some German chocolate. My husband got the strawberry and the boys got cheesecake. They also have different kinds of pastries. Some of them have meat in them. They have beef, chicken. I saw one with a hot dog in it too. But just different kinds of pastries, whatever appeases your appetite, they more than likely probably have it. Everything looked freshly made, homemade, and again, delicious.
So everybody is hungry except me, but if I'm gonna cook, I'm definitely going to eat. My favorite go-to item is a quick Mexican dish that I get all the time. I got this from the grocery store, but I get this every time I go to the Mexican restaurant. I always get bowls with chicken, and I'm gonna make this today real quick. It shouldn't take me no more than about 15 minutes to make it. They're happy, I'm happy, everybody eats, we're all good. So let's get started. Chicken breast, and I always get the thin chicken breast because it is easier to fry and quicker to cook. I always get the thin slice right there. Thin slice, it's right here.
This is a quick, simple dish that you can cook in the evening time or on a weekend. It's simple and So here's some of my favorite items that I love to always have on hand. This chicken salad from Walmart is delicious. The rotisserie is great on crackers or bread. And then I have to have my probiotics because sometimes I get an upset stomach and that kind of settles it. The probiotics. We all need some good probiotics in our life. I particularly like this kind because you can get it in strawberry as well as blueberry, and both of them are quite appetizing. And then I love to have my Laughing Cow garlic and herb cheese spread. Again, this goes great on crackers and on bread. This is the hummus. I typically use this with crackers and pretzels, and it's always delicious. And then watermelons. Gotta have me a watermelon all the time. These pearl pickles here are delicious as well, kind of salty and sweet together. Yum, oh yum. And here's my club crackers that I eat the hummus sometimes on, and the chicken salad, as well as the cheese. And then I love this as well, this fig and olive. These are two of my favorite things that I get from Trader Joe's. And the garlic and olive cheese, you can kind of get that anywhere. But this mighty mango naked, ooh, gotta have one of those almost every morning. So let's start cooking my favorite, Okay, y'all, Mr. Womack is about to throw down. Hubby in the kitchen. Alert, alert. We got the paprika. We got the Tony seasoning. Look at that. He seasoned it all nice and it's looking good. Sometimes he has the audacity to over season. So hopefully those hands won't be too heavy today. But I'm not going to stop him. Here I go doing the rice. We got the rice going. Got to put the seasoning in there. All of this stuff comes in a package so you don't have to go buy any extras. He's still putting seasoning on there. Oh my God. He couldn't get it open, so he had to put a hole in it. I hope it does not fall all the way out on the chicken and it's... Anyway, he's still seasoning. Okay, but I'm getting ready to start chopping these tomatoes. Gotta have tomatoes with Mexican. And I love Roma tomatoes. They are just good. And now he got the seasoned meat on the stove in a little oil. Tomatoes up nice and thin so that we can put it on top of the chicken. And it just makes it look complete. The chicken is almost done on one side, and now we turned it over on the other side, well seasoned, as you can see in the oil. Still cooking that rice, making sure it is not hard. We don't want like hard rice. And this right here, the cilantro, this is delicious on anything Mexican. Hubby said he was gonna wash dishes, and he did. So proud of him. It's 10:55, y'all, and we are just now eating. Let's cut this chicken up. Ooh, look at that sizzle. Really nice and tender. Smells so good. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I am so ready to eat. They're simmering as well. Gotta have beans and Mexican. So I chopped up all the chicken, as you can see. And now I am getting ready to put it in the bowl. You want to make sure it is nice and done. And that is the chicken bowl on a plate. Doesn't it look delicious? Got all the nice additives, the spices, the cheeses, the onions, and the rice, and of course those tomatoes. Yum, oh yum, oh yum. So I like green pepper. Had to add a little bit of that to the meal.
Food was great. Perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Taste.
Good.
Good.
Always.
Another great day. Like with Michelle. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you don't forget to subscribe, and make sure you like and comment below on this video if you enjoyed our journey. Talk to you later. Bye. Peace.
Yeah.
Peace. All right.